As with most airbrushing techniques, we're going to start out with an ugly phase of the model. So even though we're painting yellow, we're going to paint primarily purples and pinks when we start off here. And I had a Vallejo white primer on hand, so that's what I used. I then did a reverse zenithal highlight of Vallejo Warlord purple. That's actually painting from the bottom, never exceeding a 45-degree angle, basically the reverse of your standard zenithal highlight. I then did a side spray, which is kind of a selective spray from the sides, usually trying to have it perpendicular to the floor of the model, or parallel to the floor of the model, followed by Shadow's Liquitex Violet. The filter step is actually super easy here. We're going to take Liquitex Yellow Orange Azo, and you're just going to spray it all over the model, layering it up more on the deeper purples to get that rich orange, and then just making sure you cover up all the white to get a rich yellow for your highlights. That's it.